Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Brex for spend controls and finance visibility, detailed guide step by step clearly. Log into your Brex account using your administrator credentials. Navigate to the settings section from the main dashboard. Select spend controls from the drop-down menu. Click on create new control to set up a new spend limit. Choose the type of control you want to implement, such as individual card limit or expense category limit. Enter the specific amount for the spend limit based on your budget. Assign the control to relevant team members or departments by selecting them from the list. Set the duration for the control, deciding whether it should be temporary or permanent. Review and confirm the details of the spend control before saving. Access the Finance Visibility section to enhance financial oversight. Turn on the real-time spending feature to allow for immediate visibility into transactions. Adjust notifications to receive alerts for spending over set limits or unusual activity. Connect Brex to your accounting software for seamless data integration. Review transaction reports regularly to identify spending trends and areas for improvement. Conduct periodic audits of your spend controls to ensure they align with your financial goals. Train employees on compliance with the new spend controls for better adherence. Monitor the effectiveness of the spend controls and make adjustments as needed. Utilize Brex's analytics tools to gain deeper insights into overall spending patterns. Store all relevant documentation within the platform for easy access and record keeping. Regularly communicate updates about spend controls and finance visibility initiatives with your team. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.